Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on the channel. So in today's video we're going to be installing these halos from FarMudding. They look like they're really good quality. These are the Bluetooth versions. So here's the diagram, which seems pretty straightforward for the most part. The only thing, I pretty much understand everything, but the only thing I don't quite understand is this hot cable. I'm thinking I could just slice this into the cigarette lighter, which is what I'm going to try to do, but you know, who knows. So there's going to be a lot of cuts in this video, I think. I've already got the top plastics off. I'm going to try slicing this cigarette lighter down here, and we'll go from there. Okay, so we pretty much have the halos completely installed. You can see we have one wire running right here, running all the way back to the battery. So I went to go back and check some of the footage, and I realized that I lost the footage again. So I'm gonna explain this a little bit. So you have your controller right here. This is from FarMudding, so all of it's basically plug and play. You'll see it when you get the box. You have your controller, cooler. I pretty much just stuffed all the wires into here because they all fit. So might as well, right? Down under here you can see I ran the cables up through there. I'm gonna zip tie them off about like right up here somewhere is what I'm gonna do. For the headlights, both sides, I basically unscrewed these a little bit and didn't pull the headlight off, but I did unscrew it just enough to where I was able to actually squeeze it in between. And then for the other side you can see I drilled a hole right here to where it will go through. And then what I did was, for the little side one, these are very difficult. There isn't actually a whole lot of silicone on here, and the reason why is because I've stuffed it in here so hard that I'm pretty sure it's not going anywhere. And if it does, I can always silicone it later, it's no big deal. But I had to actually ream this out with a drill, and it doesn't look very good at all because this side's just absolutely mangled. But I squeezed it in here pretty hard to the point to where if you try to shake this, it shakes the whole bike, so not that it's going anywhere. This side definitely looks cleaner because I actually used an actual file, and I sat here for at least 20 minutes just filing and filing and filing on the sides, trying to get this seated in perfect, and it looks pretty good here. This one doesn't look nearly as clean. I didn't quite get it close enough on this side, but it's whatever, it's no big deal. And same thing over here. You can kind of see that at the wire right out the side, and then we drilled the hole on the side, and I stuffed them behind the shock going up top. Now unfortunately the only camera I have is this one, so I'm going to turn them on. And I'm going to have to cut to it because these are the Bluetooth ones, so they run off my phone. So this is what we ended with. So these are the Chasing Halos from FarMudding. They look pretty good. They have all kinds of different settings. I can change the color to pretty much whatever color I want. I have them on the default rainbow setting. The auto setting is what you call it, I guess. But they look pretty good. Look real solid. Definitely give more of a look to the bike than before, that's for sure. Definitely look better at night. I'll try to get some footage at night for you guys eventually. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Sorry I didn't do like a complete installation like I originally wanted to, but hopefully that's enough information for you guys. So yeah, also small bit of information that I may have forgotten. We did straight wire them into the battery, both positive and negative, because this is the Bluetooth ones. So no switch, can turn them on and off from the app. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day, guys.